Our company, TPV Technology, AOC Monitor's parent company, a leading company in the display solutions industry, specializes in manufacturing monitors, TVs, and other display products. Since 2020, we have been using LoadMaster load planning software for more than 3 years. Here's how we apply it to our work. The sales department generates weekly container loading requirements based on orders and designs loading using LoadMaster. Step 1. Enter cargo data into an Excel template. Step 2. Import the template into LoadMaster software to generate container volumes based on work orders. Step 3. Combine work order volume data to ensure a container loading rate of over 93%. Finally, complete container design based on container consolidation data and provide the loading solution to the warehouse. LoadMaster has boosted our loading efficiency and loading rates, so we plan to rent it for another 2 years this year.